Hi sewing friends, it's me Alice Murray. This is the 86th time I have said, hello sewing friends, this is Alice Murray of Murr-made Designs. And you are joining me on day 86 of 365 sewing makes that I'm going to show you. Whew! Today what I'm going to show you is Butterick 6332, a bargain bin lifestyle pattern, my favorite kind. And it comes with a dress, a jacket, a skirt, a pair of pants. And today I'm going to show you the dress. And I'm actually going to show you the pants tomorrow. And the dress, you can see, has a zipper in the back, which I did not put in. If I can wiggle into it without the zipper, I don't put it in. What I do is kind of the first step to putting in a zipper is basting the back seam so you can lay the zipper on it. Well, I baste it and try it on. If I can get it on, I don't put the zipper in because I cannot do it up by myself. Let me give you a twirl. I think it's a very classic looking dress. I think you would call this a little black dress, even though it has some blue in it. You might recognize this blue. I don't know if the camera will do it justice, but it's that polyester crinkle Lycra cobalt blue that I made the world's ugliest pair of pants with. And I'll link that video at the end. Or maybe I'll link the video of the skirt I made out of it, because I shouldn't keep showing you the ugliest thing I made. Yeah. So this pattern has raglan sleeves, and on the front, on the sides of the bust, it has you gather it rather than make a dart, which I think actually made it kind of bunchy-wunchy rather than kind of smooth. And that's kind of unfortunate. And it has a lining, and that is how you finish the neck and the sleeves, is with the lining. And I used just like a black polyester silky lining material. But yeah, I don't think it did. I think this blue material, it fights me all the time, doesn't it? Because it's kind of thicker, it didn't finish nicely with the lining, so I still had to top stitch it. So I think that still makes it kind of a little bit on the bunchy side. I also put a kick pleat in the back. The pattern didn't call for one, but I kind of like being able to walk up and down the stairs, so I added that. And yeah, I quite love this black material. It is from Fabric Mart also. This blue material is from Fabric Mart as well. It is black Onyx Polyester Lycra Stretch Suiting. And it's just like the perfect weight for this dress. And it was $3.60 a meter, and a yard, and I got 2 yards of it. And which was enough to get this dress, plus a pair of pants, which I will show you tomorrow. That is the beauty of being 5'1" and a little bit, is you can get several garments out of 2 meters of fabric. So yeah, I kind of like this little black dress. I really anticipated making it for the last couple of weeks because I had this little bit of blue left, and I thought when I saw this pattern with the color blocking that it would be fun to make it with this. And on my grateful thread today, I was going through my jewelry box, and just to try to find something to spice up this outfit, because usually I don't spice up anything. And I found this this beautiful necklace, and it's missing a few of the crystals, but you really can't tell from afar because it's so shiny. But This necklace was my mother-in-law's, and she has been gone for 30 years. She passed away 30 years ago. And I was just thinking when I saw this necklace, how grateful I am that I knew her, and that I have this memento. That it's nice to have mementos of the people that we miss. So I hope that you are sewing. Check out this video about what else I did with this blue material, and I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Bye for now.